In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store's header using the Sense theme. Let's dive in and navigate our way through this process to give your online store a look that suits your brand perfectly. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in, let's head over to the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll want to click on Online Store, and from the drop-down menu, choose Themes. Here, you should see a list of your current themes, and among them, you'll find the Sense theme. Go ahead and click on Customize to begin editing. Once the theme editor is open, pay attention to the sidebar on the left. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Section Settings option, and within this, try to find a section labeled Header, Layout, or something similar. These names might vary slightly depending on theme updates, so keep an eye out for anything related to the top part of your store. Inside the Header or Layout section, you'll discover various settings tailored to how your header looks and feels. Among these settings, keep an eye out for options like logo width, header height, and top-bottom padding of header. These options allow you to fine-tune how your header appears, making it more in line with your brand's identity. Let's focus on the logo settings for a moment. In the logo area, there's usually an option labeled Desktop Logo Width. Here, you'll see a range slider that allows you to adjust the logo size in pixels. Using this slider changes not only the size of your logo, but indirectly adjusts the overall height of your header, affecting the visual balance of your website. Take a moment to experiment with this slider. Slowly move it to the right to enlarge your logo if you want it to make a stronger statement, or to the left if you prefer a more subtle presence. What you're aiming for is a logo size that feels right when you look at your store's homepage. Once you've made these adjustments, it's crucial to preview your changes. Click on the Preview Mode toggle to take a look at how your store appears both on desktop and on mobile devices. It's important that your header looks good across all platforms to ensure a consistent and professional appearance. After ensuring everything looks great and you're happy with the changes, make sure to hit the Save button at the top. This will apply all your adjustments live to your store, and there you have it. You've now customized your Shopify store's header for a more personalized and brand-aligned look.